Hi everyone and welcome to the Treasury Startup Story Weekly Show. And the topmost startups was the Razorway, which is having the more than 375 million funding round by the Bean Capitals and more investors, and they are the now valued as more than 7.5 billion, which is the one of the greatest fintech startup in India. And now in last year the valuation of the Razorpay was 1 billion, and now it's become the 7.5 billion. And Techiment acquires hire the Indian arm of the startup based startup Tichi, now which has acquiring Indian arm of the tech startup Teki, helping educators and creators sell their courses online. Tichi was launched in India in October 2020 by the Flight Technology, and it's a Singapore-based company. This comes at the heels of the segment as an acquisition of the Techmore, a course selling platform that enables teachers to sell educational products like online courses, live quizzes, and more through their own apps and websites. Now, TVS Motors company partnered with What 3 Words to offer a seamless navigation experience. TVS Motors company announced that integration of What 3 Word into its customer app TVS Connect beginning today. TVS Connect users can share and navigate to any location using three simple words. So what three words has divided the words into grid of the 3 meters square, and assigned each square a unique combination of three random words, a what three word address. So Paperfry appoints Naveen Morley as a vice president and head of marketing. Paperfry announced the appointment of Naveen Murali as a vice president and head of marketing. In his new role, Naveen will lead proper Paperfry marketing and brand strategies with an aim to drive brand awareness across the lucrative untapped market, as well as capture a share in the furniture and home decor industry. We will work toward charting out the strategies that help to break the barriers that consumers have onward shopping online, especially for the big ticket item, highlighting Jeff Bay appointed Geetika Mehta as Chief Human Resource Officer. So Jeff Bay announces the appointment of the Geetika Mehta as Chief Human Resource Officer (CHRO). Geetika will take the lead on decision and implementing the people strategy, culture transformation, talent management initiative, and more. In her last role, Geetika was the Chief People Officer at Jubilant Industries, and has held a leadership role in Loyo, Urban Ladder, Puma period to that. With a career spanning 15 years, Geetika has worked extensively with the business leader in scaling up the organization at various stages of evolution. At JBP, Geetika will work closely with the leadership team on business transformation and change management project. Omniverse launches OmniX Bio to support agri-food life sciences startup. Omniverse announces the launch of the OmniX Bio initiative to back early stage agri-food life science startup. The program will support Indian entrepreneurs who are the working in agriculture technology, novel farming system, bioenergy and biometrics, as well as innovative food including alternative proteins. Car24 raises 400 million, led by the Alphabet Global at 3.3 billion valuations. E-commerce platform, which we known as Vehicles Car24, as closes the funding round of the 400 million, including 300 million series of G equity round alongside the 100 million debt from the diversified financial institutions. The Series G equity round was led by the return investor Alphabet Global, formerly known as Falcon Ed's capital, along with participation from the existing investors. The Car24 also raised a cumulative debt funding of 100 million across India, Australia, and United Arab Emirates, and the development come from the Car24 funding in September this year of the 450 million at the valuation of 1.84 billion. With the latest round, Car24 valuation has doubled to 3.3 billion. The investment will be used to fuel the brand expansion in the Middle East, Australia, and Southeast Asia, and the further strength its foothold in the Indian market. In addition, Car24 will continue to enhance its superior technology and build a good standard for the quality used car globally.